Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey guys,
Good morning.
we are from SMA Negeri 2 Pemalang. We are here to show you about our research called TEPA Bingal, single biopore puffing technology as a way to reduce flood disaster. But before that, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Dias Fajar Fatan Alaska, and my partner is.
My name is Levi Martina Kusagano.
Please enjoy our presentation. Background: flood is a common disaster that occurs in Indonesia. BNPB, from the article that published by katadata.co.id, notes that there have been 7,574 floods that occurred in Indonesia during the period of 2011 to September 22, 2020. We can see the data in this following picture.
Problem formulation. First, the high number of floods in Indonesia. Second, the lack of water catchment areas in many places. Third, the incapability of conventional biopore in places that do not have water catchment area.
So the purpose of this research are: number 1, reducing the occurrence of flood disasters; number 2, creating water catchment areas in many places; and number 3, increase the usability of biopores in places that do not have water catchment area. Methodology, time and place. The practicum started on November 28, 2019 to January 30, 2020 at SMA Negeri 2 Pemalang.
About this step, first is start, then designing TEPA Bingal, production, testing, and finish.
So the design of TEPA Bingal has two main parts. The first part is the puffing itself. The puffing has 30 cm of length, 10 cm of height, and 15 cm of width. And the second main part is the pipe. The pipe has 30 cm of length and 4.8 cm of diameter.
Method. The method we use is quantitative research, which is conducted by experiment or practicum first, and then presenting the result in the written work we made. After this, we will show you how to make and apply TEPA Bingal. Check out. First, there is mold made from wood that had rectangular shape. Then mix the dough made from cement and sand with 3:1 composition. Then bend the wire mesh so it fits with the mold. In this case, the mold has 10 cm of height, so the wire mesh should be the half of it, 5 cm. And after that, put the socket into the wire mesh, then put the cup on top of it. This will prevent the dough from entering the socket. Then pour the dough to the mold while pressing the cup so the socket and the mesh isn't moving. After this, we should wait until today so the dough is completely dry. And this is the TEPA Bingal after it dried. And now we were about to apply the TEPA Bingal to the soil. This TEPA Bingal has a socket for 4.8 cm diameter of pipe. Then put the pipe to its socket. And finally, we can put the TEPA Bingal in the hole that has been perforated. This TEPA Bingal has a filter to filter the waste from incoming water. So this is the practical result.
Discussion. Based on the research, it can be concluded that TEPA Bingal is very effective, especially on soils that can easily absorb water, such as red soil and humus soil, and will be less effective on clay soil and sandy soil because it is difficult to absorb water. However, there are exceptions to sandy soils. Even though sand has characteristics that is difficult to absorb water, but sandy soils have large pores that causes the water to enter very quickly.
By making holes to the pipe will increase the absorption of the soil against water compared to Tepa Pingle, which is not perforated. Tepa Pingle is able to absorb large amount of water. The more Tepa Pingle installed in an area, the greater the absorption capacity and capacity to hold water in that area. In addition, Tepa Pingle is also able to replace the function of piping. This is what caused this technology to reduce flood disaster, especially in residential areas where there are less or even no water catchment area.
So the conclusions are Tepa Pingle can minimize flooding effectively. Tepa Pingle not only has a material function as a building material, but also has the function of mitigating technology for flood disasters, and Tepa Pingle can be applied easily in the community. This is the documentation. Thanks for your attention. We, here SMA Negeri 2 Pemalang, send our best thanks to all of you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.